Hello everyone, I'm back with another interesting chapter of Indian history. Today we are diving into the powerful era of Mahajanpada. The ancient India entered a new political age in this time. So if you love to learn history in an easy and simple way, then don't forget to like and share my video. Before Chandragupta, before Ashoka, India was divided into 16 powerful kingdoms. They fought wars, built cities, and shaped the future of Indian civilization. These were the Mahajanpadas, the turning point of ancient Indian history. Around 1600 BCE, India was not one single country. It was divided into small tribes called Janpadas. As agriculture improved and iron tools were reduced, these small tribes grew stronger. Gradually, some Janpadas expanded and became more powerful. These were called Mahajanpadas, meaning great kingdoms. There were 16 Mahajanpadas mentioned in Buddhist text Anguttara Nikaya. Some important Mahajanpadas were Magd, Kosala, Vats, Avanti, Vajji, Kuru, Panchala. Among all, Magd became the most powerful. Why? Because first, Magd had fertile land near river Ganga. Second, it had rich iron mines. Third, strong rulers like Bimbisara and Ajatshatru expanded its territory. The capital of Magda was Rajgriha, later shifted to Patliputra, which became a major political center. Some Mahajanpadas were monarchies ruled by kings, but interestingly, some like Vajji were republics, where decisions were taken by assemblies. This period was also important because it saw the rise of Buddhism and Jainism. Lord Buddha lived during this time. Trade and cities developed rapidly. The competition between Mahajanpadas eventually led to the rise of modern empire. So the Mahajanpadas were not just kingdoms, they were the foundation of India's first great empire. And that is how ancient India entered a new political era. If you like the journey of Mahajanpada with me, and if you want more powerful history explained simply, then subscribe, like and share. Thank you.